Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and welcome back to my series, 30 Days of Yoga with This Curvi Yogi. And today we're going to work on Locust pose and cobra, both back bends. So grab your mat and we'll get started. So we're going to start in tabletop. Have the knees under the hips, wrist under the shoulders. We're going to start with 3 rounds of cat and cow. On the inhale, you're going to drop the belly, pull the chest forward, coming into cow pose. On the exhale, press the floor where your chin comes to your chest, cat pose. Inhale. Exhale, curling the back up towards the ceiling. Inhale and exhale. And we'll come to stand on our knees. Bring the arms out and up. Just gonna do some hip circles so your arms will go in the opposite direction of your hips. Do that about 3 times, and then we'll switch the direction. So switching now. Coming back up, bringing the hands back down. Walk the hands forward. Lower all the way down. So here, you're going to bring the arms down by your side. So the tops of the feet are going to stay on the mat for now. Roll your shoulders up and back. Lift the upper body. And then come down. And then lift the upper body with the chest, and then come back down. This time we're going to lift the chest, lift the legs as well. And then we're just going to act like we're trying to reach our feet. So we're going to go to the right, reaching back, back forward, and then to the left. Just do that a couple of times. And then come down. Bring the hands by the chest, lifting up into cobra. And then down. 2 more times. Up to cobra. And then down. Last time, up to cobra. And then down. And we'll come back to tabletop. And we'll come back to sit on the heels for just a second. Then we'll come back into tabletop. Let's do our cat and cow one more time. So inhale, drop the belly. Exhale, curl the back. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Coming back to neutral. Walk the hands forward. And then we're going to lower all the way down. So we're going to have a block in front of us. So grab your block. We're going to have the hands directly over our head with the block between them. And come up into Locust. Everything's off the mat. Bring the block behind you. Reach up. Bring the block back in front. And then come down. We're going to do this 2 more times, each going the opposite way. So we'll lift. Bring the block behind you. Lift up a little more. Bring it back in front. And lower down. Last time. Lift. And the block behind you. Lift a little more. And the block back in front. And lower. And the hands back beside your chest. We're going to come into cobra. Lifting the chest. Come into a back bend. And then exhale down. 2 more times. Lift up. And exhale down. Lift up. Exhale down. We'll come back to tabletop. And then we'll have the hips sitting on the heels. Take a deep breath in and out. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below and hit the bell for notifications. Remember that you can use any of these sequences and make your own yoga flow. So go back and watch my previous videos, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.